Want to earn rewards by staking crypto using MetaMask? In this video, I'll show you how staking works and how to use MetaMask for staking step by step. Staking allows you to lock your crypto assets on a platform to earn rewards over time. Many crypto projects use staking to reward long-term holders. Before staking, make sure you have MetaMask installed and set up correctly. If you're new to MetaMask, check the wallet setup guide linked in the description. Open your MetaMask wallet and make sure it is connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Make sure your wallet contains some ETH to cover gas fees. Without ETH, your staking transactions cannot be processed. Go to the Mycryptoview staking dashboard using the link in the description. Click the Connect Wallet button and approve the connection request in MetaMask. If you don't already hold the token you want to stake, some staking platforms provide a buy button directly on the dashboard. On the Mycryptoview staking dashboard, you can buy MCV tokens directly or click Approve to start the staking process. Once you click Approve, confirm the transaction in MetaMask and wait for it to complete. This allows the staking platform to access your tokens for staking. After approval is completed, click the Stake button and confirm the staking transaction in MetaMask. Wait for the transaction to finish processing. Once staking is complete, you should see your staked balance, rewards, and instructions for claiming future rewards. Always research staking platforms before connecting your wallet. Only interact with trusted platforms to reduce the risk of losing funds. Ethereum gas fees can sometimes be high. For lower costs, many users prefer staking when network activity is lower. The Mycryptoview staking platform allows users to stake MCV tokens and earn rewards. MCV token holders can also receive discounts and access to Mycryptoview tools and services. That's how to stake crypto using MetaMask and earn rewards. If this video helped, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and guides.